This is chapter 6, calling your power back and rebuilding yourself after the storm. So there comes a moment in your healing journey where you stop asking, why did this happen to me? And you start asking yourself, what was this trying to teach me? And don't forget, I'm still traveling from Seattle to Atlanta. But that question right there changed everything, because pain without reflection can become anger. But pain with reflection can become wisdom. And for a long time, I replayed conversations, I replayed moments, I replayed situations, thinking, what could I have done differently? What could I have changed? How could I have fixed everything? But eventually, I learned one of the hardest lessons. You can heal for another person. You cannot grow for another person. You cannot love someone who into becoming ready. You can support them, you can encourage them, you can believe in them, and you can see their potential. But their healing journey, even if they think they're through it, belongs to them. Just like your healing journey belongs to you. And that is when I realized it was time to call my power back. It was time to reconnect with myself again. It was time to remember who the hell I am and who I was before the pain. Because sometimes when you spend so much energy helping everyone else, you want to know what happens? You forget that you need help, or you need yourself also. I started looking at my triggers differently. Instead of asking, why is this happening? I started asking myself this: why does this hurt? What is this showing me? What lesson is God trying to teach me? And that changed my entire perspective. I started learning how to pause. I started learning how to breathe. I started to learn how to ground myself, and I started learning how to pray before reacting, how to listen, how to reflect, and how to sit with my emotions instead of letting my emotions control me, basically. I learned something powerful. Tears are not weakness. Sometimes tears are your heart releasing what you have been carrying this entire time. And sometimes quiet seasons are not punishment. Sometimes isolation is preparation. Sometimes God removes the noise around you so you can finally hear the purpose inside you, ladies and gentlemen. I started reconnecting with myself. I'm traveling. I'm meeting people. I'm having conversations, not about pain, but about dreams, goals, visions, purpose. Sorry, I'm also watching all the roads here. I'm not driving though. God. I stopped feeding the wound and started feeding the future. And that is when everything started changing. Because healing does not mean you forgot what happens and what happened. Healing means what happened no longer controls who you become. Forgiveness does not mean the pain was not real. Forgiveness means you are choosing not to carry it forever. I learned that my heart was never the problem. I just had to learn how to protect it. Being loving is not weakness. Being kind is not weakness. And having a big heart is not weakness either. But wisdom teaches you where your energy belongs. I am not perfect, and I'm still learning, and I'm still growing, and I'm still becoming. But I refuse to let a painful chapter of my life change the good inside of me. I choose wisdom. I choose knowledge. I choose discernment. I choose growth. And I choose God. So if you're rebuilding right this moment, just like I am, if you're healing right this moment, if you feel lost yourself, remember this: you're not starting over. You are starting wiser, because every single lesson, every single storm, and every challenge that you have been through prepared you for who you are becoming right now. So protect your peace, protect your energy, and protect your heart. Keep your light shining and never forget who God created you to be. This is chapter 6, calling your power back, turning pain into purpose. And there's a total of 8 chapters. I encourage you to go listen to all of them. Comment, like, subscribe, follow me. My energy is going to start getting higher. My vibration, my frequency is going to start increasing. And I'm going to start coming out motivating. I'm going to start coming out inspiring. And I'm going to start intervening where you're at in your life, where you're stuck at, and help you get through that challenge and that lesson and continue to grow. Ladies and gentlemen, God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I have several more hours on the road, so I am going to try to get the rest of these videos done today and release them over the next several days. Have a blessed day.